The insurance company can force you to go see their doctor, and what that doctor writes can wreck your case. They call it an independent medical exam, but it's anything but independent. After all, the doctor's being paid for by the insurance company. The doctor goes into the exam knowing the results that he or she wants to put in the report, and it's usually something that's negative to your case. They love the terms pre-existing and exaggerating. They will use anything they can to try and justify the results that the insurance company want, which are results that weaken your case. So what can you do about this paid for insurance medical exam? There are a few things. The first thing you should do is never go it alone. That's why you should always have an attorney if they're asking for one, and the attorney in most cases can go with you or can hire a nurse consultant, someone who can keep an eye on the doctor and make sure that he or she is doing things by the book. The second thing you can do is to document everything. And this is why it's critical to have an attorney involved. Because if you're not a medical professional and you've never been through this process before, you probably have no idea what it is that you're watching the doctor do during this exam. But having an attorney there or a nurse observer, they can write things down, document them, and be able to talk about them later. Third most important thing to do is to be honest. And don't exaggerate your injuries. You're injured, so the objective tests that this so-called independent doctor is going to do are going to show that you have limitations evidencing your injury. And when the doctor tries to explain those as, you exaggerating your injuries or claiming injuries you don't have, your own medical records, your attorney, and your own doctors will be able to use those against that doctor to attack that doctor's credibility. They call it an independent medical exam. And the word independent does a lot of work in that sentence.